In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails into Slack. If you want key messages from your inbox to appear right inside Slack, this quick setup keeps you in the loop without constant tab switching. We'll walk through getting a unique email address from Slack, then adding it in Gmail so messages you choose can land in Slack automatically. First, let's grab your unique forwarding address in Slack. On your desktop app or in a browser, click your profile picture or your workspace name to open the menu, then choose Preferences. In the left-hand menu, go to Messages and Media. Scroll until you see the section labeled Bring Emails into Slack. Click the button that says Get a Forwarding Address. Slack will generate a special email address just for your workspace account. This address is unique to you and is meant only for forwarding into Slack. Go ahead and copy it so you can paste it into your email settings in a moment. Treat this address like any other private workflow tool. Share it only where necessary and avoid posting it publicly to prevent unwanted messages. Now let's connect that address in Gmail. Open Gmail, click the gear icon, choose See All Settings, and go to the tab called Forwarding and pop IMAP. In the Forwarding section, look for the option to add a forwarding address. Paste the Slack forwarding address you just copied. Follow Gmail's on-screen prompts to complete the addition. Once added, Gmail knows where to send messages you forward. You're not changing your entire inbox behavior here. You're simply telling Gmail that this Slack address is a valid place to forward mail when you choose to use it. From here, emails that you forward to that special address will arrive in Slack, typically as a message that includes the sender, subject, and a short preview. It's a handy way to keep action items or alerts visible without digging through your inbox. Keep in mind that the exact appearance in Slack may vary slightly depending on your workspace settings. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Forward only messages you actually want in Slack, avoid sending confidential or sensitive information, and check your company's policies if you're in a managed workspace. If anything looks off, you can always return to Slack preferences to regenerate the forwarding address or remove it from Gmail settings later. And there you go. That's all. You now have a simple path for getting emails into Slack so you can stay focused and keep your team aligned. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.